Here we are going to study 8051 microcontroller interfacing with digital to analog converter. The IC number here is 0808. Here VCC and ground are the normal connections for each and every circuit for its working. The as shown in figure, XTL1 and XTL2 are the two pins which are input to providing input to crystal oscillator of this 8051 to produce the desired frequency for its working. Here reset pin is shown. When this pin is connected to 0, this 8051 microcontroller will be reset or initialized to the initial conditions. Now here, as we know, 8051 is having four ports, port 0, 1, 2 and 3. Here port 1 is used as output port, which is providing output, digital output from microcontroller to DAC circuit. As this DAC circuit is digital to analog converter, so obviously it will take the digital input and produce the analog output. So digital input is taken on the lines D0 to D7, which is connected, which is having input from the P1 port of this 8051. In this case, this P1 port of 8051 is working as output port, which is giving output to these pins D0 to D7. Now here this digital to analog converter will convert this digital input which is coming on 8 lines into analog form. Now we'll see how it will convert. For that I'll show you one formula. The formula is output voltage, means this output voltage which is going to give you output in the form of analog. So it is equal to V reference. Here V reference use is coming. So reference voltage will be written here, which is multiplied with the bracketed quantity. Now we'll see what is the bracketed quantities. So here in bracket it is written D0 upon 2. D0 means whatever input we are getting on D0 pin, it is divided by 2 plus D1 upon 4 means input on D1 pin divided by 4. So 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2 raised to 8 is 256. So each and every input pin is divided with respective 2 raised to factor, and they all the quantities individual factors are added together to form the bracketed quantity, which is multiplied with V reference voltage, and it will produce what the output voltage. Output voltage is nothing but the analog output of this DAC circuit. Now, why we need to interface this 8051 with DAC circuit is that the need is that since 8051 microcontroller is used in various applications like measuring pressure, temperature, or various sensors output in IoT devices, which will read the device output in digital form, and it has to give the output for some control systems which are connected to it in order to process the input analog input provided to it. So in that case you need to interface 8051 microcontroller with digital to analog converter. So this is about all about the interfacing of 8051 with digital to analog